Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success effortlessly, while others struggle for years without progress? The answer isn't luck, it's not even talent. It's the way their brain is wired. Today, I'm going to show you how to literally rewire your brain for success, so that success becomes your natural state, not just a distant dream. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share practical steps you can start using today to train your brain for focus, discipline, and unstoppable growth. Part 1. The science of rewiring your brain. First, let's understand what rewiring your brain really means. Your brain is made up of billions of neurons, and every thought, habit, and action creates connections between these neurons. The more often you repeat something, the stronger the connection becomes. This is called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to change and adapt. Think about it. If every morning you reach for your phone and scroll, your brain wires that as a habit. If you push yourself to exercise daily, your brain wires discipline and energy as your default state. The good news? This means you can change. You can build new neural pathways that lead to focus, success, and confidence. You are not stuck with the brain you were born with. You are constantly shaping it consciously or unconsciously. Part 2. Breaking free from old programming. Now let's be honest. Many of us are running on old, unhelpful programming. Maybe you've been told you're not smart enough, or that success isn't for people like you. Over time, those beliefs become wired into your brain, and they control your actions, often without you even noticing. Here's the truth. Those beliefs are not facts, they're just patterns your brain has repeated. And the first step to rewiring your brain is becoming aware of them. Ask yourself, what stories am I telling myself about success? Do I believe I deserve success? Do I believe I'm capable of change? Once you identify the negative programming, you can start replacing it with empowering beliefs. Think of it like updating old software. You can't run new programs on a broken system. Part 3. The power of visualization and affirmation. One of the fastest ways to rewire your brain is through visualization and affirmation. When you vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals, your brain fires the same neurons as if you were actually doing it. Athletes use this all the time. Before running a race, they mentally rehearse crossing the finish line. Their brain begins to believe it's possible, and then the body follows. Affirmations work the same way. Repeating positive statements like, I am disciplined, I am focused, I am capable of success, literally strengthens those neural pathways. Now I know what you might be thinking. That sounds cheesy, but neuroscience proves it works. Your subconscious mind doesn't care if it's cheesy. It cares about repetition. The more often you feed it empowering thoughts, the more your brain believes them. Part 4. Daily habits that rewire your brain. Here's where it gets practical. If you want to rewire your brain for success, It comes down to your daily habits. 1. Morning routine. Start your day with intention. Instead of reaching for your phone, take 5 minutes to meditate, journal, or practice gratitude. This sets your brain's filter, called the reticular activating system, to notice opportunities instead of problems. 2. Learning every day. Your brain loves growth. Read, listen to podcasts, or learn new skills. Even 15 minutes a day compounds massively over time. 3. Exercise. Moving your body boosts brain chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which improve focus, mood, and motivation. 4. Environment. Surround yourself with people who inspire you. Your brain mirrors the energy of those around you. If you're constantly around negativity, your brain wires that in. If you're around ambition and positivity, it wires that instead. 5. Micro wins. Train your brain to love progress. Don't just wait for big results. Celebrate small victories, finishing a task, keeping a promise to yourself, or making a healthy choice. Each win reinforces success wiring. Part 5. The success mindset. Rewiring your brain isn't just about habits. It's about adopting the mindset of success. Growth mindset. Believe that skills can be developed, not fixed. Failure isn't the end, it's feedback. Discipline over motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline wires long-term success. The more you practice discipline, the more automatic it becomes. Delayed gratification. Successful people train their brains to resist short-term pleasure for long-term reward. Each time you choose the harder right over the easier wrong, you strengthen your success muscle. Remember, your brain is always rewiring. Every choice you make is either reinforcing old patterns or creating new ones. Which direction are you wiring today? So here's the truth. Success isn't about being lucky or even being born talented. It's about wiring your brain to think, act, and live in alignment with success. You have the power to rewrite your story. You can choose new beliefs. You can create new habits. You can reprogram your brain for the life you've always wanted. The question is, will you start today? Or will you keep running on the same old program that's holding you back? If you want success, don't just hope for it. Train your brain for it. Rewire your mind, and your life will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, success starts in your mind. Rewire it, and nothing can stop you.